Okay, this is part 2 of the experimenting LED light strip I've done on my Cayenne. So I think I've changed it. So I've got the, before I had like an L shape like that. Now I've changed it. So the reason why I'm doing this is trying to get a new look for my old, because the tail lights on the internet I can buy the tail lights on the internet, but I don't like the lights. They don't look that good. They just look a bit not my cup of tea. So now I've changed it, and I think I will stay with this one here right now. This is the one I like. It looks nicer now. It looks really nice compared to before, but like I said to you, it's an experiment, so I think I'm staying with this one here. This is part 2 of the video, so I'm going to do the LED lights at the front, driving lights as well, so when I finish that, it'll be alright. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.